Here I'm driving south, heading into Brickell, over the South Miami Avenue Bridge. In the background you see a number of cranes. Those are for the development of Brickell City Center, a massive development costing over $1 billion. We'll get a few other angles of that development as I drive around the neighborhood. Here I'll be making a left onto Southwest 8th Street. On my left here is the Rise Tower. At the base is where the open air mall will be. In the background you see a tall tower with blue windows. That's going to be the East Hotel. Again, part of the Brickell City Center development. The corner to the right is the site for SLS Lux, which is yet to break ground. Here to the right is the beginning of Mary Brickell Village. That's where you will find a variety of shops, restaurants, and bars. Up here to the right is the beginning of the Brickell Flatiron site. You will see a purplish pink building also to the right. That is their sales office, which is under construction. To the left is the development site for the bond at 1080 Brickell. I'm going to make a right heading back onto South Miami Avenue, this time heading north. To the left here is 1100 Miocento. That recently topped off. Closing should begin towards the end of this year to the beginning of 2015. Again to the right, Brickell Flatiron. Once again, I'm making my way through Mary Brickell Village. We have the Ocean Air Seafood Room to the left. There's a Starbucks to the right, Blue Martini to the left, as well as the Rosa Mexicano. I'm coming up on my left is Brickell Heights, the opposite side of the street. To the right is SLS Lux. In the background there to the right is the East Hotel again. That's the one with blue windows. This time I'm going underneath Brickell City Center. Making my way up to the Reach Tower, which is on the right. I'm still heading north. At the end of the Reach Tower here on the right, I'm going to make a turn. And as I make that turn, you'll see an empty lot to the left. That's going to be a third condo tower as part of the Brickell City Center development. And that's what you see there to the left here. Again, the Reach Tower to the right. The tower in the foreground here, which is now to my right. That's my Brickell. Closings began there in January. In the background is Brickell on the river north. The white tower in the foreground is Brickell on the river south. Again, my Brickell on the right. Now we're making our way up to 500 Brickell, West Tower. Here we have the East Tower. To the left is an office building which will eventually be knocked down and will become the development site for One Brickell. That site was purchased for $100 million by Related Group. Directly in front of me is Icon Brickell. And now I'm heading over the Brickell Bridge, heading north into downtown.